The Hero's Journey, it's an incredible book. It was the original publication was in 1957 or something like that, and it was The Hero with 1,000 Faces. And throughout this book, they are explaining how the entire cycle of a story is told. And it is just very interesting how everything starts with the normal life, and then the whoever is going to be the hero faces some challenges, and then there's the hero. The hero doesn't really know what to do, and then he finds a mentor, and then the mentor takes him through all the big ordeal, and then he gets them into the next level. It's in most of the movies. Most of the plots of the movies are based on the hero's journey. It's called the hero's journey because you take the hero is, if you think of the Matrix, if you think of Star Wars, if you think of The Firm, most of these films have the exact same pattern, just different characters. Now, what is very interesting about this is that right now, all the people which are getting into the speaking space, into the mentoring space, into the whatever business space, they always get themselves into the role of the hero. And that's the wrong thing. You need to get yourself into the role of the mentor, because obviously you are the one which is going to help the hero get that result. So at the end of the day, if you're a speaker, your audience are the hero, not you. They don't come to see because you're the most incredible person in the world. They come to see you because you have some knowledge and some wisdom to provide to them. So that's a very interesting concept on how to understand how the hero's journey works. So I think we have a video which is going to be showing you right now the different role models and the different mentors in Hollywood. So you're going to see exactly what we were talking about. Have a look.
Some men aren't looking for anything logical, like money. They can't be bought, bullied, reasoned, or negotiated with. Some men just want to watch the world burn.
You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. All right?
All right.
You got a dream, you got to protect it.
Unlearn what you have learned.
All right, I'll give it a try.
No. Try not. Do. Or do not. There is no try.
Why then did the Sorting Hat place you in Gryffindor?
Because I asked it to.
Exactly, Harry, exactly. Which makes you different from Voldemort. It is not our abilities that show what we truly are. It is our choices.
Wow. Awesome! How did you do that?
Inner peace.
Inner peace. That's cool.
There you go, beautiful. And Ernesto, do you have a favorite mentor from the movies that you always wish that you could have been mentored by somewhere along the line?
Yeah, I think my absolute favorite is Robin Williams in Death Poets Society. I mean, it was... I suffered so much in school because I was in a complete left-brain, very disciplined school. So for me, that was amazing. And I mean, I can see that movie over and over and over. And it was just amazing. Mr. Keating, I think he's called on the movie.
Yeah.
How about you?
Brilliant. I was trying to work it out because there's so many movies where I've loved seeing the mentor, but I've got a soft spot for Mr. Miyagi from The Karate Kid. because he taught him how to wax on and wax off. And how many times in my life did I just want to batter somebody with one punch or a kick and just stop them talking? So that's probably why I became a speaker, because you can go, shup, shup, or you can go up to somebody and say, your breath, oh, and it's like one punch. It just catches him off guard, and then he can feel like a ninja. So I think probably Mr. Miyagi. But we'd love to know who your favorite mentor was from the movies. Please feel free to share it. If you just joined us, by the way, it's the Toilet Paper Diaries with Dave and Ernesto, all the way from Dubai, and all the way from Houston, where the world is going up in flames, but we're nice and happy sharing it with you here. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really enjoyed it, then make sure you watch one of these two videos afterwards. And Ernesto, why are you staring up the top of my head?
Dave, your hair is actually thinning out.
Well, if it is, it's about the only thing getting thin on this show.
Here on this side, we have some more amazing videos for you to watch.